Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for joining in. My name is Mukul Anand, and in this video, you'll know how to run sponsored product ads in Zepto. So this is the backend dashboard. You can see there are multiple options. You have Zepto Ads, you have ads platform, PO management, payments, and brand funded discounts. But to run ads, you just need to go to ads platform, click on campaign management, and create a campaign over here. You have three different options. First one being sponsored product, and second is sponsored brand and display ads. So let's start with sponsored product ads. Over here, under the campaign details, you can go ahead and give a name to your campaign, test ads. Don't fill anything over here under the ROID section, just leave it blank. Give a good daily budget. Minimum daily budget is 500 rupees. Anything below that, it just shows you this pop-up. So I'm gonna give 1000 rupees. Let's go ahead with 1000 rupees daily budget. Start date can be today. You can schedule the campaign, let's say for tomorrow. And targeting and bidding section, under demographics, you have target all cities, you have target selected cities. I would like to keep target all cities. Let's say you have sent all your products to Bangalore or dark stores. You're not present pan-India, but I would still keep target all cities because the algorithm knows where your products are, in which dark stores. So there itself, it will show all the ads what we are running in this platform. So even though if you want to stick with, let's say your product is only in Bangalore, you can just go ahead and type your city, and you can run your campaign. Both works. But I would like to keep target all cities for now. You can select all products. You can select manual selection. Doesn't matter. But I would like to go ahead and click all products. I want to run all ads from all my products. If you are just beginning, I would go ahead and recommend you to start with all the products. But if you're into quick com ads, if you're already running multiple other campaigns, you're already into it, go ahead and select manual selection, select your specific products, and then you can run ads to it. For now, let's go ahead and create all product campaign. Under the ad targeting section, you have auto targeting and you have manual targeting. Let's start with auto campaign. Minimum bid value, which is suggested, is 10 rupees. Let's go ahead with 10 rupees. Under the bidding section, you have bidding strategy, which is defaulted to dynamic bids up and down. In Amazon, you have multiple options, dynamic bids up and down, and you have down only, and you have fixed bids. But here it's just dynamic bids up and down. Coming under bid adjustments, you have inventory based, top of search placements, and you have audience type, premium users. What are these, right? This is something very new. So let me go ahead and quickly show you what exactly is top of search placements. So this is Zepto app. Over here, I can search for, let's say I'm selling pickles, right? I want pickles. So mango pickle. So you go ahead and see these ads which are on the top. Let's say this particular one. It has an ad on the left side, AD. These are coming on the top. So top of search placements, the moment you bid higher over here, let's say I want to bid 30% higher on my minimum bid. So the higher you bid, the higher placements you get on these platforms. So these brands are actually giving a good top of search placements, and that's one of the reasons why the ads are coming on the top. You see, all this is an ad. The first row is an ad. The second row in between this particular product is an ad. This is an ad again. So this probably comes under the middle of the search. The lesser you go, the lesser you bid over here, currently it's in 30%, the lesser you bid, let's say Even at 30%, my placements can go in between. Maybe our competition is bidding probably more than 50%. So their chances of coming on the top comes over here. So you get the point, right? So this is exactly what top of search placement is. So what exactly is premium users? So premium users, you're targeting Zepto Pass premium users who pays minimum 200 to 300 rupees every month just to get free shipping and other features in Zepto. These premium users are on a very limited, they are very limited users. So I would like to not target them mostly, but you can definitely do a A/B testing where you don't give any percentage over here, you don't give any bidding, and then where you give another campaign you create where you get a good 10% for that premium users. But for now, let's keep it 0%, and top of search, let it be at 30%. You can go up to 900% for top of search. That's the maximum. The moment you put 1000, it won't accept. So maximum is 900%. I would not recommend that. You can go ahead and put around 30% to play safe. For now, what is day parting? It's a very interesting feature. Let's say you want to run ad on a specific day. I want to run my ads specific to weekends, that is Saturdays and Sundays, and during high traffic hours, that is between 5 p.m. in the evening till, let's say, till 11 o'clock over here. I want to run between all this time, right, till 11 p.m. in the night. And I want to give a good bid between this period of time and day. Say I want to give 30% higher on my bid during this particular time and during this particular day. So when you do day parting, my ad will only run during Saturdays and Sundays. You can also keep between the days as well. It's up to you. But for now, if you're just starting this ad, I would just clear everything. Don't need day parting initially, but you can always do you can always do testing on these campaigns. Negative keywords is you can add keywords which you don't want to show ads in, and this only works in exact match. And that's it. I mean, you can just review and launch your campaign for automatic. But now let's come to manual targeting. What is manual targeting? Manual targeting is basically you add keywords into your campaigns. So you come under manual targeting, you add keywords over here. Come to keyword targeting. Under keyword targeting, you have custom and you have upload. So under upload, you can download the CSV template and add all the keywords, and then you can upload it over here. Keywords will start popping up over here. So now let's start with custom. You have 3 different match types. You have exact match type, phrase, and broad. I would not recommend to go ahead with broad match for now because it will spend on a higher side. Since you're beginning, or you're also, doesn't matter, you are just beginning or you just experienced into this, you can always go ahead with phrase and also exact. Bid value can be, let's say, 10 rupees. Let's keep it 10. And let's add some keywords, right? So I am a brand, let's say I am selling pickles. So I would add mango pickle. Mango pickle, you have lemon pickle, you have chili pickle. So you add your product names into it, just copy them. How do I find the keywords now, right? It's very simple. You can just go to Google Keyword Planner. That is one of the tools I use. You can use Ahrefs. This is another one. So I will link these 2 websites down in the description. You can just go ahead and click them and go to the website. So this is Google Ads, Google Keyword Planner, the best one I've ever used. For quick commerce, it works. I just click discover new keywords and paste all keywords which you typed in your platform over here. So once you do this, just click, make sure you add your country wherever you're located. Mine's India. So I'm going to click get results. So over here you can see the keyword relevance, right? Mango pickle has highest monthly searches between 10,000 to 100,000 result. Lemon pickle and chili pickle is on the lower side. So now I'll go back to Zepto ad platform. I'll add these keywords. So my logic is you have too much of search in a month. That keyword usually spends on a higher side. So I want to play a little safe over here. I will give somewhere lesser, around between 7 to 8 rupees, probably 7 rupees for mango pickle. I would keep 10 rupees for lemon or chili pickle. You can play around with bids. There's no formula for this, but please keep in mind that higher the searches, the more volume you will get on this particular keyword, and the campaign would spend on a higher side if the search is very high. So keep 7 for now. You can also keep it 10, guys. There's no rule that I have to go ahead and keep 7 or anything. You can try 10 for everything, doesn't matter. And that's it. That's it for the manual keywords. You add all your keywords. My suggestion to you, add keywords somewhere close to 10 to 20 keywords in a campaign, and then you can cut out all the non-performing keywords and increase the bids for good performing keywords to scale your campaign. This remains exactly the same, the bidding, it won't change. It's the same thing what I explained to you. And that's it. This is how you run sponsored product ads in Zepto. There is another option you can see, swap and save option. So this is a very interesting thing, right? You just click over here. I would do this if I want to scale my campaign. If you're just a beginner, I would just stick with sponsored product ads, not swap and save. Don't begin your campaigns with swap and save, because this is more for brand awareness, not to generate a lot of conversion or sales, right? So once you come here, you again give campaign name, can be anything, ignore the ROID. Then you have swap strategy, right? It's a very interesting thing. Smart swap and manual swap. Under manual swaps, you have 3 options, and under smart swap, basically acts like an auto campaign, auto targeting. So let's go ahead and click manual swap. I will show you how swap exactly works. So as you can see in the Zepto app, I've added 2 products just to show you how this feature works. You can see I've added Nutrition Oats as a product in the cart, but there is a competitor from ITC brand who's running this campaign, swap and save campaign, which is basically swap for better value. So in the screen right over here, this brand is running exactly this one, swap and get better value. So when you want to run this campaign, usually your product will be on a little higher side. The pricing will be on the higher side compared to what the customer would have added into his cart. There'll be a small pricing variation. That's it. I mean, the moment you click swap, what the customer would have added into his cart just disappears and your product shows in the cart. And that's very cool, right? The moment you click swap and save as a campaign, so this is basically your competitor would have added, let's say, 50 rupees product, but you're selling the same value product for a 40 rupees one, and it will show in the cart the same way how it is shown over here. And the moment the customer clicks swap, your 40 rupees product will show in the cart and the 50 rupees product which he would have initially added would disappear. The same applies with swap and go premium. But here the catch is you are selling a high ticket product. You're selling a premium product where your product is 100 rupees and your product and your customer would have added, let's say, 50 rupees product, right? But you're giving a better premium product and a better value product. Customers sometimes will swap it and go ahead with your product even though it is very expensive, right? So this is basically the logic behind these manual swaps. So my suggestion is you can go ahead and click on swap and get better value. I think this is something which most of the brands use. That's it. There's nothing much. The same way, now you select all your products which you want to run in swap and save, and then you do user targeting. These are the same things which is available in sponsored product ads, right? And then you have budget and scheduling. You can give a budget, lifetime budget. You can schedule your budget over here. And then you have bidding strategies, fixed to cost per mile, CPM. There's no CPC over here. And then you give your bid value. Minimum is 3,000 rupees. You can start with that and just click review and launch. And that's it, guys. I mean, that's how simple it is to run sponsored product ads in Zepto. There's nothing complicated over here. It's a very simple tool, just a very simple ad platform. Unlike Amazon, the complications are on a very lower level. Let me know down in the comment section if you have any doubts or questions. I'll be happy to help you guys. But for this video, until then, I'll see you in the next one. I'll make another video where I run a sponsored branded ads and a sponsored display ad. That'll be a complete different video. But anyways, thanks for watching until now. It really helps. Please do like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye.